Hello, this is Sherry.
Don't get Marker on the couch.
And I know. Welcome to my class today. We're gonna have to do printing again. What are they saying?
Who?
The kids that are watching me.
Nobody.
That's how you do it. Now, let's get this work on. What other color do we need? Pause the video first. We put the roller right here and make a space. Go, Charles. Go, go, go. You're in my video. Well, by the way, I'm not going to be scared. You're just going to have to cross a line. Like that. And now you made a line. Put it on the other one. Do what I say. And it's okay if Charles takes my ruler because I have another one. Pause the video for a second.